Brew yourself a nice hot cup of coffee just about anywhere with the cordless coffee maker from Makita. And this unit can be powered by either Makita's CXT or LXT batteries, and that sliding cover there will cover whatever input you're not using. It comes with 2 coffee drawers. The first is for 60ml coffee bags, which you can buy online. The other drawer though is your bread and butter, and that's for use with freshly ground coffee and has a reusable filter that you can remove for cleaning. Under the lid of the machine, you're going to find a scoop, and for every scoop of coffee you add to that reusable filter, you add 120 mils of water to the reservoir on top. That water reservoir's got clear volumetric markings to guide you. Add 2 scoops of coffee to the drawer, add 240 mils of water to the reservoir, and that'll fill the included Makita coffee cup all the way to the top. Once you've turned the machine on, it'll boil the water, and once the reservoir is empty, it'll switch itself off automatically. In terms of runtime, you'll be able to get 8 120mm cups of coffee off a single 6Ah LXT battery. That included Makita cup can take a knock, and it comes with a lid. That'll keep both heat and splashes in while keeping dust and debris from the job site out of your coffee. And for best results, make sure you use a coarser grind of coffee, typical for drip machines or pour-over style coffee makers. You can see an espresso grind here on the left is much finer than you want to use with this machine. I love it. You can make a good cup of coffee just about anywhere, and it's available now at all Sydney Tools stores in your Makita aisle, or go to sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.